Hi my friends, and welcome back to our CENTUM VP tutorials. And in previous lesson we are stopped at adding new equipment in our plant builder. So let's open it again and continue our work. So I think we finished it. No, we are not finished. Let's open this one. So my friends, we must add additional 8 line here, and let's continue. So let's add another line here, and another one, and another one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I want to write it here, VP valve, second step valve. Here we choose the equipment and water PMST. Water PMST. So next one is the okay, pump is the number 8. So let's check our functional blocks, because I'm not remember what we are adding. It's a zone, but we need 11. Space pumps and valve. So my friends, I think we are not used this pump in our logic. Let's open now our FCS 104, and here I think we must add logic here, because we need use communication between in our aeration stations. So firstly we add AP and AP valve to AP pump and AP valve to our aeration stations. So firstly let's add text here. There. Station and what we used here, back color, I think let's use blue, and okay, apply. And here we add LC 64 blocks. So let's add it together, and functional blocks LC 64. And first of them is belong to AP pump. We can use air pump. Okay, let's use AP pump. And next one is the AP valve. Valve. So let's save it. And my friend, this one will belong to VW pump, but before I want to check what we are used. Okay, it's open now, and I need to use the VV water pump, VVPM, WWPM. It's WW pump. Okay. We also okay, cancel. Open our functional block from our new FCS here one, and here in properties we must add the VVEM. Apply, OK, and also for this one. Apply, OK. Let's save again. And we also must. So my friends, here we must build the logic for the control of receiving chambers. And here we add the logic of the control screen of CENTUMs and primary setting stands. So let's add here the six blocks of LC64, press OK, and first block belong to inlet. Let's write it AC inlet. Next one is the AC grid. Next one is for the AT sand. Next one for the IC okay, set one. AT set one. And also for AT row and AT set two. Set two. And it belongs to clear equipment for the okay, clear or I think that we can use the treatment facilities. Treatment facilities. So my friends, before we go forward, I want to return to our project because I suppose you and I'm also forget some properties of our projects, and let's quickly review what we want to do in our project. So my friends, we want to before I start it, let's make change here. Let's do it like this. Copy this line and paste it here I cannot do it. Okay, let's write it like this. Delete this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, let's use it like this. Right here, comment, and here V, and here. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And let's test. It's possible to, okay, give me one. Okay, equipment. To, okay. Give me two. Equipment. Maybe three. Equipment. Maybe four. Equipment. Maybe five. VV. It's WW. It's WW6. Equipment and WW7. Also equipment. Now let's save it. One errors. Update the name, water. Okay, what we have here. We have some problems here. Okay, let's use the set 2. We still have error here, but let me do it like this. Save. Why I cannot add it? Okay, my friends, let's solve this problem together. And here I think we must add TBO split. BOTR, apply, OK, save. Yes, now save again. Okay, so my friends, let's quickly review our project and what we are building here. And I want again review with you our project architecture. So let's open Paint here. And my friends, firstly we have our project. It's our main project. And we call it now site. It's site. And here we have two FCS, this one and this one. Here is our FCS number 101, and next one is the 104. And after, under this FCS we have the equipment control our area. But before we continue, we also must know that only the FCS only the cell from FCS 104 is control our two units, unit 1 and unit 2. And also about our architecture, again, I want to say that we are building the water treatment system and water pump station. So we have in system view, we must have the project, we have station, we have control drawing, we have function blocks, and also we have the cell. So my friends, I think now you can remember our architecture, my friends, and it's difficult for me too because I don't prepare the lesson in advance so that it does not look artificially flameless, but I promise that at the end we will repeat the architecture again. So I want to add that if you remember our project architecture, so we have again we have the project, it's our site, it's a project, we have the area, is our station, next one we have the control drawings, the cell control drawings. We have the unit. It's a unit instrument. It's a technological equipment. Unit instrument, and we have the equipment, and it's our functional blocks and elements. So my friends, that's all for today. I wish you good health and good luck. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you in the next lesson.